people, welcome to the Incredible Girl. What do we do? Delhi reacts to what this time? What? I've got like many requests, but then I'm sticking to one, which is Delhi reacts to the most amazing person who's made a larger than life film, which is Bahubali. There we go. Let's go. Hello.
Hi.
Do you know who S.S. Rajmouli is?
I've heard the name, but I'm unable to recollect it at this point in time.
No idea. S.S. Rajamouli. Yes.
Yes. Now you tell me, what do you think?
He is the best movie director.
Aha, high five on that.
He is the one who directed the Bahubali.
Absolutely right.
But this guy is South Indian, that's not fair.
Bahubali is being released in worldwide. So people should know
Right.
about
Did you hear of the movie Bahubali?
Oh, yes.
That's very heard it.
Yeah, it's a movie.
Yeah.
So did you guys watch Bahubali?
Yeah, I watched the first part.
I heard it's very good.
I have watched it.
We have heard because then we have watched the movie on this way.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. No. Okay, why didn't you watch it?
I don't know why.
Will you watch it? Now that I questioned you now?
I'll try.
Yeah, you better. Okay, so since you watched it, what about Bahubali did you like the most?
It was good. Cinematography was really nice.
Special effects of the movie.
The very project itself is initiating such a project in India itself is a great task to do, and the genre of the movie itself is somewhat very different, and more than the attempt, the kind of expectations that he set, he lived up to the expectations. I think the movie is pretty brilliant, and now everyone wants to know why Katappa killed Bahubali.
Graphics was definitely much better than any what that we see in Bollywood. Much better.
When you watch an Indian movie, it has a lot of CGI. You don't really expect the level that Bahubali really set. So that was something different, and definitely in terms of warfare and all that it brought on the table, that was something sort of a unique experience for Indian cinema as a whole.
It was very interesting. A lot of animations in it. And
But we didn't know about who killed Bahubali.
You don't know.
I like the action in the movie and the animations they have used because, outside India as well, it's getting very promoted, the film, and we are expecting the Bahubali 2 in the coming year as well. So I'm looking forward to it.
I think I like graphics the most.
Okay. So S.S. Rajmouli is the director of Bahubali.
Alright.
Okay, wonderful. Okay.
Yeah. So Bahubali is like become one of the India's largest motion pictures. If you think he comes into Bollywood, which Bollywood director he'll give a tough competition to?
I guess that would be Karan Johar to a certain extent. Karan Johar again, his narration is in a way which is again quite majestic in itself.
I don't think any Bollywood director is as good as making such movies.
Okay. So no competition in Bollywood, you feel?
Because his genre is completely different. I thought of saying Anurag Kashyap, but he doesn't.
That's a
He won't
completely
even go into
different
that genre.
That's a completely different thing.
Sanjay Leela Bhansali.
Sanjay Leela Bhansali.
Sanjay Leela Bhansali.
Because the scripts are, I think the cinematography is like very complex and stuff.
The background, the colors which he sells in the movie, it's awesome.
Competition-wise, if you see the whole movie, Sanjay Leela Bhansali is the one director I feel with a very colorful movie, and on the other hand, what you mentioned is a very action-packed movie. So both the things, although themes were different, but I think they can be more competitive.
So if you think S.S. Rajmouli will have to direct someone from Bollywood, who do you think it should be?
Now.
Or you don't think he should direct anyone from Bollywood?
No, it should be. I think it should be Amitabh Bachchan, someone who is larger than life in himself, because the entire canvas that he paints is something which is quite majestic in itself.
Akshay Kumar.
Hrithik Roshan.
Oh!
Hrithik Roshan.
Hrithik Roshan would be like a perfect figure, a person who has, say, fame and everything, and he can take on someone, say, who is a counterpart.
Because he does movies like that, right?
As the looks and physique.
What do you think?
He wants to direct the Mahabharata in future, but he says that the duration of the movie, or like for him to make such a movie, takes 10 years. So in case if there is any actor or actress in Bollywood who can give their call sheets like for this longer duration, he'll definitely take that film up. Other than that, he also wants to make a James Bond sort of a movie. So for that, Hrithik Roshan, of course. So,
God, you know him completely. What, do you have his number or something? Is he related to you?
Exactly. He knows too much about this guy.
he's a very good director, and you need to like. This is something that you'll know if you are from any part of southern India. You'll know it's not like that. He's a
Yeah.
Telugu. He's from Andhra Pradesh.
Oh, even you are from Andhra?
Yes, I'm from Andhra.
Oh,
He
wow.
gets sentimental on these topics.
Oh, it's so good you said yes to this video today. She's literally thinking hard as if she's the casting director.
Maybe Ranveer Singh.
I guess Ranveer Singh is the actor who we should, cast him because he is very energetic, very dancing, and he has performed some steps and roles also in the movies as well. And we should also cast Deepika Padukone as well because the chemistry of both of them looks very nice. So I'm
Nice.
expecting that.
Probably Rajmouli, if he's watching this, he should see Deepika Padukone and Ranveer Singh. One word to describe Bahubali.
Fantastic.
Big. Bahubali 2. Bahubali. Something powerful, honestly.
Come again.
Yay! Oh my god, so that was it! It's crazy how people have reacted to SS Rajamouli, and SS Rajamouli Garu, you are such an inspiration to people. Your films are just way beyond anything. And loads of love, a virtual hug from the whole Delhi here. All the best for the part 2 of the movie. Really waiting for it. I love it, Delhi loves it, and I think the whole nation is waiting to know why Kattappa killed Bahubali. Keep smiling, stay awesome. So toughest. Goodbye. Guys, behind the scene. So she watched only 2 Bollywood movies till now, and that is
Bahubali and Madani.
God, go Bahubali!